Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Julia with Harmonious Living. I want to take just a minute of your time. I want you to take a minute to forgive yourself. We have all done things that we are not proud of, things that have caused us guilt and shame. If it is a behavior that is ongoing, then stop. If you cannot stop on your own, then seek professional help. It may be something that you have not done for a while, or maybe it is something that you spoke that caused friction in a relationship. Then it may be time to contact that person and ask for forgiveness. Everyone involved needs to talk about what needs to be done to rectify the situation. Forgiveness will break the chains of guilt and shame so that you can live a more harmonious life with joy, peace, and happiness. Well, that's all for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Harmonious Living. Ciao.